The U.S. stock market rally lost some steam today, but in the days following President-elect Trump's victory, the Dow and S&P 500 both soared to record heights. Here to take a deeper dive on the Trump effect is CBS News MoneyWatch correspondent Kelly O'Grady. Kelly, great to see you. Thanks for being here. So how much of a factor is Trump's victory behind this market surge?
Yeah, so great to be with you, Caitlin. And look, the Trump effect of it all, this is a big portion of it because, look, markets like a clarity. They're just like us, investors. They don't like uncertainty. So last week we learned who the president is going to be, as well as what interest rates are going to look like for the next 6 weeks. We also got that Fed Reserve rate cut. So those two pieces are really driving it. And with Trump, you can see it in a couple of sectors: cryptocurrency, banking, that softer regulatory environment that he has promised. Investors are looking at that. They're saying this is going to be good for profits. And Caitlin, we saw the money pour in.
And how long do you think this might last?
So we did get a little bit of pullback today. And this is what we like to call in the markets world profit taking. You got a lot of profit. So let's take some of that cash off the table for a rainy day. I do think what I'm hearing from folks, this is going to last probably through the end of the year. Folks are expecting we're going to end on a net positive because Trump hasn't taken office yet. We have ideas of what it's going to be like, but we don't know for sure what this is going to mean for companies. The rub of it, though, Caitlin, is inflation. We're going to get an inflation report tomorrow. So if that comes in stickier than expected, hotter than expected, you could see the markets react negatively.
Yeah, one number everyone will be watching. Kelly, I've been dying to ask you about Elon Musk because we've been talking about his political influence all week. But I'm also curious about, Tesla, his company. Like, are they benefiting from this election at all? Has Tesla stock gone up? What have we seen?
Hugely, Caitlin. Okay, so compared to last week with the election, Tesla stock has jumped over 30%. Elon Musk has added tens of billions to his net worth. So I guess it pays, in this case, to be part of President-elect Trump's inner circle. The interesting thing, though, is this is not necessarily a bet on the actual company, because in theory, this administration will be less favorable to electric vehicles than the previous administration. This is really a bet that Elon Musk will be able to influence the next president. But what I will caution you is that so much of Tesla's sales, their manufacturing, rely on China. So this question of tariffs and how hard of a line President-elect Trump plans to take on that could be kind of a complicating factor for Tesla.
Yeah, I want to ask about tariffs because, as you know, former President Trump has said that tariffs, that's his favorite word in the dictionary on the campaign trail. He threatened to increase tariffs on U.S. goods from China and a lot of other things. Are we seeing any kind of impact yet? How could that impact the markets in the months ahead?
So no impact in the stock market. I think you're seeing it in the bond market. So treasuries have spiked up a little bit. That gives you an indication that investors are expecting we could be entering potentially an inflationary environment. Some of President-elect Trump's policies could be inflationary, including the tariffs. But look, he's also said it could be potentially just a negotiating tactic. So it's a wait and see situation, Caitlin.
We will stay tuned for sure. Kelly O'Grady, thank you so much.